Summertime may be coming to an end, but it's never too late to nourish your skin after spending a day in the sun. Let's make some after sun butter to restore your skin's moisture. This formula is really simple and starts off with softened shea butter. To soften up the shea butter, we're just going to pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to melt it, just soften it up so it can be whipped. Alright, I'm going to go microwave it now. After microwaving the shea butter, we can whip it up. Today I'll be using just a little whisk. Now that we have this all whipped up, we can add in our last few ingredients. Up first is our sweet almond oil. This is going to absorb super nicely into the skin and will leave us feeling super moisturized without any greasiness. Okay, now I'm going to stir that in. Now it's time for fragrance. There's lots of fragrances in our library that would be perfect for this butter. Today I'll be going with AFI's Aloe Vera because it's really soothing and refreshing. With the pre-measured in the bottle, all I have to do is just dump it in with everything else, and then I'll give it a good stir. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh. Now onto our vitamin E oil. This is an anhydrous product, meaning there's no water and therefore we don't need a preservative. However, we can extend the shelf life of our oil ingredients in keeping them from going rancid by including antioxidants such as vitamin E oil. There you go. I'll give it a good stir again. With that stirred in, all that's left is some cornstarch. This will really help absorb any greasiness left behind from the shea butter, leaving us smooth and silky. Add that in and stir one more time. Now our after sun butter is done and ready to be packaged. I'm going to scoop these into the simple plastic packaging containers. Great, that wraps up today's DIY. Each 8-ounce jar only costs us about $1 to make, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $8. Check out our After Sun Spray for a whole line of luxurious products like this one to make it feel like summer all year long. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's AFI DIY. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this one. I'll be seeing you guys again real soon. Bye for now.